Okay, a student asked me to have a look at question 4a, and we have a linear rule in the form of ax plus by equals c, which is usually done by the x and y intercept method. However, they've asked you to do a grade intercept method, and I think I understand why, because where it cuts the x-axis is really hard to uh, figure out. So to do that, we need to go to the grade and y intercept method, which is y equals mx plus c. So we need to get y by itself. So rewriting that out, is y by itself? No. So I would, I think I'll take the y to up to this side. So to do that, we plus 5y to both sides. We get 4x minus equals, sorry, because that cancels out, 15 plus 5y. And now, oops, now we have to get rid of the plus 15. So we minus 15 to both sides. And I might as well write this equation out so that we've got the 5y. So 5y, got rid of them, plus 15 equals 4x minus 15. And of course, the last thing to do is divide everything by 5. And you get y. So there we are, equals 4x over 5. So there's your gradient, 4 over 5, minus 3. So using the gradient, we have m equals 4 over 5, c equals minus 3. So you can see why that point is there, easily found, the y-intercept, and the gradient. Because it would cut somewhere between 3 and 4, it'd be very hard to read. So we've gone for the gradient intercept method. So that's a rise of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a run of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have our 2 points. Remember, that's all we need to draw a straight line, 2 points. And we have our equation drawn on there. While I have you here, the second one was doing the XY intercept method. So my suggestion to be is to take that plus 6 across. So let's change color. So we go 2y plus 3x. And I'm going to get rid of that 6, so that's minus 6 to both sides. And if I was in class, I would have shown you my fantastic technique called the slap method. Now, some of you students who are in my year 9 class would know. And I call it the slap method because when y equals 0, it disappears. So when y equals 0, it disappears. And so I'm left with 3x minus 6. And of course, 3x minus 6, divide both sides by, I get x equals minus 2. So there's my first intercept. When y equals 0, we get the x-intercept. Then I do the slap method for the second part when I'll change color. And that's of course when we make x equal to 0. We slap on that and that disappears and we're left with 2y equals minus 6. Divide both sides by 2 equals minus 3. And so there's your 2 points. In other words, when x equals 0, we have the y-intercept. That's why I call it the slap method. They just disappear when they are set to 0. So try that. Hopefully you found that little example useful in your revision for your test tomorrow. Cheers.